What's up, guys? I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today we have a Pioneer DMH-WT8600NEX that we installed in a Toyota Tacoma 2018. So it looks really cool. It has a 10-inch display. This unit has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We integrated all of the steering wheel controls to work with the new radio, also the backup camera as well. So everything from stock works perfectly. We also installed the Maestro iDatalink connectivity. So right here on the car features, a lot of the car information will show up on the radio. For example, the tires, PSI, battery voltage, check engine. If you have a check engine light, it'll actually read you the code, which is really cool. And it'll give you gauge information like speed, RPM, fuel, and all that other stuff. It also has a really cool Wi-Fi connectivity on this radio. So if you actually have a hotspot on your phone or a portable hotspot, you can connect that to your radio. And you can actually have Amazon Alexa show up on here. You can use that. You can browse the web. You can check sports information like your favorite teams and the weather. It'll show up right here, so you don't have to play with your phone, and it's all really nice and safe. So if you guys want to upgrade your car, you can purchase this radio on our website, or you can come down to the experts, Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we'll definitely help you upgrade your car.